In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a landing page. We'll be using Wix.com as the example platform, but the same overall process works in most website builders. Start by opening your preferred landing page or website builder and creating a new landing page project. This gives you a clean workspace to build from and helps you stay focused on a single goal. Before designing anything, define what you want visitors to do on the page. Your landing page should guide people toward one clear action, such as signing up, buying now, booking a call, downloading something, or contacting you. Having that goal in mind will shape every section of the page and keep the design from feeling cluttered or confusing. Next, choose a layout or template. Look for a clean landing page design that matches your brand style and feels easy to scan. A strong template saves time and gives you a structure you can customize instead of building everything from scratch. Now create the hero section, which is the first thing visitors see. Add a strong headline that quickly communicates the main value of your offer. Then include a short description to explain what you're offering in simple terms. After that, place your main call to action button where it's easy to see. Add an image or video that supports your message. Use a high quality visual related to your product or service so visitors can instantly connect the content with the offer. Then add your key benefits. Keep this section short and focused with around 3 to 5 benefit points. The goal here is to explain how your offer helps the visitor, not just what it includes. If you have social proof, include it next. Testimonials, reviews, ratings, client logos, or measurable results can all help build trust and make your page feel more credible. After that, explain how it works using a simple 3-step process. For example, someone signs up, gets access, and starts using the offer. This makes the experience feel straightforward and reduces hesitation. Now add your offer or pricing section. Clearly explain what the customer receives and include pricing, discounts, bonuses, or free trial details if they apply. Next, add a sign-up or contact form. Only ask for the information you actually need so the form feels quick and easy to complete. Once that's in place, add another call to action after the offer details. Repeating the same action at the right moment helps visitors take the next step without scrolling back up. Then include an FAQ section to answer common questions about the product, service, pricing, or process. Add trust information as well, such as business details, privacy information, terms, and contact options. Finally, optimize the page for mobile by checking readability and button size on a phone. Then test everything carefully by clicking every button, submitting the form, and checking links, redirects, and tracking. When everything looks good, connect your domain or use the platform URL, publish the page, and test the live version.